Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. Today episode we're gonna make chocolate cake. This is how to make a mouth-watering chocolate cake, a perfect delicious chocolate cake. So let's start. Okay, we're gonna mix all our butter and our chocolate. Here is our butter and chocolate. I'm gonna melt it for easy use. Okay, while it's melting, I go ahead and sieve my flour. Okay, I'm using a cup of flour and half cup of chocolate powder. Okay, I add baking powder, okay, and baking soda. Look up, you're gonna see all the measurement I am using to achieve this delicious chocolate cake. Okay, go on and stir all together. Mix it until it's well combined. Bring a separate bowl. Add your sugar, add your egg. I'm using 2 eggs. Okay, then stir all together. Stir it until it's well mixed. Okay, then I add my vanilla extract. Okay, then I mix all together. Mix it until it's well combined. Okay, you can see I'm mixing liquid stuff and powder stuff in a separate bowl. Then I go ahead and add my melted butter with my melted chocolate. Then I stir everything together. Stir it until it's well combined. Then I add my milk. I'm using a lukewarm milk to achieve this. Okay, I add a cup of milk. Then after stirring it, I transfer all the powdered ingredient together. I transfer everything together. Then I mix it until it's well combined. Please, mixing is very necessary. If it's not well mixed, you're not gonna achieve that soft texture. Okay, mix it until it's well combined, please. And please, if you are living around, come and join me. Let's enjoy this delicious chocolate cake together. All the quantity I am using to achieve this are written on top of this cream. Please look very well, you're gonna see it. After mixing it, then I go ahead and transfer it into my baking pan. Okay, then I have to put the baking paper at the down so that it's not gonna stick on the baking pan, and it also helps for easy removing. Okay, then I transfer everything together. Okay, then after transferring it, we're gonna bake in oven. I'm baking with 180 degree. Okay, and I'm gonna bake it for 28 to 30 minutes. Here our chocolate cake is ready, guys. This is how to make a perfect chocolate cake. This chocolate cake was everything. It happened to be my children's favorite cake. Even as I was preparing it, they are all here watching and waiting it for. See, this cake is ready. I supposed to wait it to get cold, but my children said no, that they want it sharp. Yes, our chocolate cake is ready, guys. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and come and enjoy with I and my family, and have a beautiful time. Bye.